Oh, my pits. Can I have a smell? Feels like a holiday. What? You ever had a holiday sweat? If you've never been on holiday, please come smell them. They smell
no, but that is definitely staying in the video.
Fuck off. It's right there. So, should we just intro it in there?
Yeah. No, let's just intro it like this.
Right to what is going on, guys.
What is going on, boys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be working on Josh's Mk1 TT. He's actually been extremely busy. I've obviously been to work after work, whereas Matty doesn't really do anything. He kind of just sits around playing with himself. He's been busy today. He put his penis down and now he actually works on the car. He's literally done a...
we've done a two-step paint correction. So we have absolutely cut the balls out of the paint. It is as thin as I could possibly go. Smooth as hell. We decontaminated the whole car. Did a full paint correction on it, and that looks a bit better.
It actually does look fairly good, to be fair. From what it was before, I mean, even just coming home, have a look at this. So I might put a clip in before of how this kind of was. You can see how like discoloration, disqualified. I don't. Is that even a word?
I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, this wasn't this colour, but now it looks a lot better anyway.
We managed to remove all the oxidisation that was here in the paint.
So much oxidisation as well all along here, and now it's all gone. Actually looks fairly good, but it's still obviously going to need a full respray because you've got obviously the bits and bobs that need fixing, but it's in a hell of a better condition now. If you are enjoying these type of videos, like working on Matty's car and stuff, let us know in the comments as well. Drop a smash a like. Drop a like on the video as well, it does really help. It shows us that you are enjoying the videos, which I hope you guys are. It's nice to have another TT on the channel. So first things first, we're going to have a look at the codes that are actually showing on Matty's car. Yeah, Matty has this like nice little code reader here, which I'll show you guys in the last video. If you haven't seen the last video on kind of Matty's car, I suggest you go watch it because it's kind of an introduction, I guess, this series, I guess you could say. Go watch that video because you guys will know more kind of where we're at the minute. Obviously I'll show you guys around the car so you know what's been done, what hasn't been done, what needs doing as well, because that's a big long list.
Faults and adaptations.
Let's get on that, bro. Fault codes, trouble codes, give it a while and it'll probably come up. There you go. So they're just a few of the codes at the minute. But so one of the first things that Matty ordered, well, one of the few things Matty ordered is, as we spoke about before, you guys remember literally all of these injectors, all of these coil packs are completely different. I mean, you can see obviously they're different. This one's completely different to that. That one again, it's about 18 feet in the air. This one is different. It's kind of similar to that, but obviously it's not the same. And then this one just looks old and dingy. So we're going to replace absolutely all of these as well. And obviously once you've got your coil packs out, you're going to go and change the spark plugs as well, because it's a good habit to do if you're going to go and change the coil packs. So that should probably solve our misfire. Another problem was the sensor. It's somewhere kind of down in there. I'll show you guys in a minute. But yeah, first things first, we're going to remove all of the coil packs, which is nice and easy. Matt is as well super hyped because he's bought this thing here. So yeah,
it's just some tools.
Okay. Oh, please don't destroy these, bro. So if you guys don't know, these clips here that Audi produce are literally the hardest things ever to get off. They're made so no one else can. Oh, bro! You idiot!
It's okay.
Oh. That's one broken out of two, so that's good going.
Right. I need to get the tracks back off, boys. How's you working?
No, let me do. No,
this one's already snapped.
Yeah,
this one's already snapped.
I know. That one's already there. Look, boys, I can get that one off just one-handed.
Why not just buy a fixed car? Like, yes. It's because you wanted it. You forced me into buy this broken car for your views. Go on, Josh.
You have to like push it in.
Do you, mate?
How?
I've
done mine and I've not snapped any. Whereas you've done two and you've snapped one.
Yeah, so that's 50%.
50% success. That, bro, straight up.
Wait, did you get it out?
Yeah. Cause cha boy.
I've done one and broken it.
Yo, let's go.
Oh, fuck it.
Oh. Oh. Don't like lick them, bro. Yeah, so these can go in the bin.
Ooh!
Oh, no, for the boys. Do you just fart?
Go, mate.
No, you don't. No, you need to go skirt when you open it.
Skirt. That actually worked.
You know what you're not doing?
Thank.
They all look at them, bro. They're all like different.
It's trying really hard, like getting. Do I just have to keep twisting it?
Yeah, just keep twisting it, bro. And then you have to tell it, excuse me, please.
Excuse me, please come out. It must be really deep in the turbo to be twisting for that long.
Yep.
Eventually.
Mate, I'm fucking hard. Mate. I need to get more leverage on.
Yeah, dude, you're like sitting on the engine as well.
Dude, I told you that. Right, you should be able to do it so you can get the. Right, so you can take this off. And stop. No! Why did you come off it? Why, dude?
Just calm down. You're stressing me out.
You literally just leave it on it and turn it out, you fucking.
Oh!
Dude, that is covered with oil.
Yeah, it's good. You know, it's nice to lubricate it.
Dude, there's burning so
Misfire
much oil.
cylinder 3. Any
Yeah.
So guys, all the spark plugs are out.
You probably can't see anyone because we're working in. This is our light now.
Read to aura, shine your light. I'm going to keep those spark plugs for my MX5
Drift car.
Shout out Luke.
Shout
Shout out Lab Production.
Exhausted. Right.
So boys and girls, now obviously we're in a pretty level playing field. We've got all of the spark plugs out. We've got obviously the ignition coil out.
So to insert these, take the box. You insert the box in there. And
20 quid, dude, if you did it.
Right, how do you know how much you tighten these?
You just gotta do it and then you do a bit of a skirt at the end. Now, literally, you just throw it in there and immediately start impacting it in.
Is that in?
Oh, you gotta turn it. If it goes really difficult straight away, bro, that's no bueno. Yeah?
You just gotta be gentle.
Has it gone tight?
Yeah, it's tight. You won't go anymore.
Right, now get the rachete. Put it on. Make sure you're not on undo.
Right, okay, is that, let's say this one's due, yeah? Yeah?
Yep.
One.
No, you hold it and then you just gotta.
Whoa, it's
Keep going.
hard. That's hard.
It's still going. It's only hand tight. So where it is at the minute, you gotta go just a bit more. So a bit more than that.
Man, that's it, we'll leave it like that.
That's alright, we'll skirt it. Give it a good wiggle. Oh!
Hey!
Woo! Yeah, boy. So Matty as well has ordered some brand new ignition coils. Oh, get them out for the boys. Ooh! Yo, see it looks like, you know, the third one that you had?
Yeah.
Come on, let's just send it. So these are super easy as well to install, literally. There's like a bit of rubber on the side here, you could just see, and as well it lines up with the top of the engine. Again, making sure it's lined up. Send it into the engine block. Loose. Like that, make sure it's in. Right, get the plug out of the way. Matty's gonna go. There we go, that's all the way in, boys. And obviously once they're all in, I'm gonna put that fourth one in a second. But nice and easy, you just you reconnect it and you kinda hear a click. With this one there's gonna be no click because Matty decided it was a good idea to break the bracket, so.
Right, now you've got to make sure once you've done any sort of modification to your vehicle, Make sure everything's put back to standard. Make sure you're declaring this on the insurance. Whenever you service a vehicle, call up the insurance. Let them know.
And tell them, yo, Wagwan, what's going on, guys? It's your boy JoshsPOV. I've just serviced my car. You can check out the video on my channel. You can check out the video on my channel. Link in the description. Go follow.
Burnout.
Hear that?
Yeah.
Yo, some guys skirting over there. Right. Right. No, we need to go and change this.
So as you can see, guys, the temp sensor.
It's literally just there, bro.
Right, can we get some lighting in there? So we're replacing the coolant temperature sensor, which we're hoping is going to fix one of the faults that we're having.
That. You see the green thing?
Yeah, it's right there.
Here. It's there. It's super easy anyway. You just need a screwdriver to get that little bit down there. You get a mad zoom on that, and you get it in between that little space, and you just prise it out. So, Matty has a new sensor in here as well. They also come with an O-ring, and they also come with a clip, which I probably shouldn't open over the engine bay because I'll probably lose it. There it is.
Please don't break. Do not let it fall in the engine.
Dude, we'll replace it anyway. It's alright.
Yeah, but it's not good in the engine, is it?
No, it's alright.
No bueno.
I'm just gonna send it though. And then, what's that? Oh! This one here, you can only kind of put in one way.
Or another.
It's like a D, bro.
Shout out Euro Carbots for supplying this today.
For sponsoring the video.
Yep.
Hashtag not actually sponsored.
It's okay.
Just make out I am.
Yeah, that's good. You're up there, mate. Oh, we sound?
Nearly. Got it. Yes.
The check engine is gone, boys.
Oh shit! Yes! Right, put the lights on. So you can see.
Ryan, have we blew up?
No, mate. We're not. We're all good.
And we're idling.
Dude, bro, look at that eye.
Look at that steady idle.
Here's the moment of truth, guys.
One code left.
So with only this to fix, which is a crankshaft positioning sensor or something, Matty's just getting in touch with the people on the forums for some help. Like I said before as well, if you do need any help with like your Mk1 TTs or anything like that, links will be in the description. You can join the group and you guys can just post whatever you want and ask him for help, obviously, and people will help you out. That's exactly what Matty's going to do. But yeah, for now we've sorted most things out. Still kind of moaning about the coolant and stuff, but we know that isn't an issue anymore. We believe that it's actual the pod, like this whole thing itself, so I think that's going to have to be sent off, either replaced or refurbished or whatever. So obviously this needs to get done. But like I said as well at the start of the video, this list is fairly big and obviously it's going to take us a while to get through the list, but we are going to do it with the help of you guys. So if you guys have any suggestions as well, why obviously we're still getting that. There's a few people that do have TTs here, and there's a few people that do know a bit more than us. So yeah, if you guys know anything or have any suggestions, make sure as well you drop it down in the comments below, because I want to know, we want to know. If you guys have not already, make sure you subscribe as well. Click that bell icon that's right next to the subscribe button, because you'll be notified every single time we upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Matty, I'm Josh, and that was our POV. Peace out.
Say you wanna get away.
Have you been putting them 1 to 4? Yeah. Is it like 1, 2, 3, 4 out the bracket?
No.
No. It says on the top 1 out of 4, 2 out of 4, 3 out of 4, 4 out of 4.
No, it doesn't. You're
Yeah,
like...
I fucking swear down.
No.
Look, which ones come out of which?
I just pulled them as they come.
Which ones come out of which?
I don't know.
What's
mate.
that one from?
There's 2 we're putting now.
I'm joking, don't mind that.
Can you please stop, because this is so stressful.
We don't need a plane, I could be your escape. Take you to a place where there's no time, no